AI Jobs 2025, the brutal truth and the 3 hacks you need to survive. You've been lied to about AI jobs. They said it would create opportunities. The truth? It's eliminating careers faster than anyone predicted, including yours. The disconnect between public AI narratives and implementation reality has created a dangerous trust crisis. While tech CEOs publicly promise AI will create millions of new jobs, the internal implementation documents tell a completely different story. The automation timelines shared with shareholders versus those shared with employees are dramatically different. What percentage of companies are actively accelerating AI adoption specifically to reduce labor costs? The answer will shock you. 83%, according to McKinsey's latest AI implementation survey. This isn't speculation. It's happening right now across industries. What's truly alarming isn't just that AI is replacing jobs. It's following a predictable elimination pattern. But what's the next phase? Most professionals don't realize they're already in it. Already in 2025, AI implementation has reached critical mass across multiple industries. The window to adapt isn't years, it's months. And the divide between those who strategically position themselves and those who failed to act is becoming painfully apparent as we speak. If you believe AI threatens only routine, low-skill positions, you're operating on dangerously outdated information. The current wave of AI advancement is rapidly penetrating job categories previously considered uniquely human and AI-proof. Take Michael, a senior financial analyst with 12 years of experience and an MBA. He dismissed early warnings about AI impact, confident his strategic thinking and industry knowledge would insulate him. Then his firm implemented an advanced AI financial analysis system. Within 3 months, his team of 8 was reduced to 3 AI operators. The system didn't just assist analysts, it rendered most of them redundant. Or consider Elaine, a creative director at a mid-sized marketing agency. She believed creative work was inherently human. But when AI-generated content began outperforming human-created campaigns in A/B testing, client demand shifted dramatically. Her agency now employs half the creative staff it did a year ago, focusing instead on prompt engineering and AI content oversight. Even roles requiring specialized expertise are being transformed. James, a paralegal at a prestigious law firm, specialized in contract review for 15 years. "I was good at it. I caught things others missed," he explains. Then they implemented an AI contract analysis system. Within 6 weeks, it was catching issues I missed, processing documents 40 times faster, and never needed a break. Half our department was let go within 3 months. The World Economic Forum now projects that 39% of core professional skills will significantly change by 2030, and we're witnessing an acceleration of this timeline. Companies aren't waiting. They're implementing these changes right now in the first quarter of 2025. We're witnessing not incremental change, but exponential disruption. To navigate this disruption effectively, you need to understand AI's 3-tier elimination pattern, a framework that reveals which jobs disappear first, which transform, and where the strategic opportunities actually exist. The first wave of AI-driven job displacement has already swept through sectors dependent on predictable, rule-based tasks. Data entry and processing, 78% automation, complete across Fortune 500 companies. Basic customer service, 65% of Tier 1 support, now handled by AI systems. Retail operations, Cognizant stores, 360 Solution has demonstrated a 30 to 40% reduction in store operating expenses through AI implementation. This isn't news. What's critical to understand is that Stage 1 served as the training ground for more sophisticated AI systems now targeting higher value roles. We are currently in the most dangerous phase, where AI is directly targeting knowledge workers and creative professionals. Marketing and content creation AI tools now routinely outperform mid-level creators in A/B testing. Financial analysis investment firms report significantly higher efficiency with fewer analysts. Legal research and contract review, AI systems process standard contracts with higher accuracy than junior associates. Graphic design and visual content, generative AI has captured a significant portion of mid-market design work in just 18 months. The implementation pattern is consistent. AI enters as an assistant tool, quickly proves superior in key metrics, and eventually displaces the human role it was designed to support. If you think AI is just automating mid-level jobs, what's happening next will change your career forever. The most powerful roles in business are next in line for AI disruption, and the consequences will be even greater. The most alarming development is AI's accelerating encroachment into roles requiring judgment, strategic thinking, and complex decision-making. Middle management AI systems are beginning to handle team coordination, performance analysis, and resource allocation. Strategic planning AI analytics are outperforming human forecasting in many business cases. Medical diagnostics AI diagnostic systems now match or exceed the average medical specialist in several domains. Educational assessment AI is increasingly handling student evaluation and personalized curriculum design. While we're only at the beginning of stage 3, the pattern is clear, and the window to adapt is narrowing rapidly as we approach mid-2025. There's still a way to get ahead of this shift, but only if you move before AI's next phase of implementation in Q3 2025. Here's what you need to focus on. In today's 2025 job market, only specific roles remain as safe zones in an increasingly AI-dominated workforce. Mispositioning yourself for these opportunities, and your career may never recover. While the World Economic Forum projects that 85 million jobs could be displaced due to automation, they also forecast that approximately 97 million new roles may emerge. The challenge isn't just avoiding job loss, it's positioning yourself for the right opportunities in this transforming landscape happening right now. Research across multiple industries reveals 3 categories of roles that are flourishing right now in 2025. 1. AI-augmented roles. These professionals don't compete with AI, they leverage it as a superpower. AI implementation strategists, professionals who bridge technical capabilities with business objectives, data translators and AI trainers, experts who train, fine-tune, and optimize AI systems for specific industries, AI quality assurance specialists, professionals who test, validate, and refine AI outputs. Human-centric careers. These roles leverage distinctly human capabilities that AI cannot replicate. Complex problem solvers, professionals who navigate ambiguous situations with incomplete information. Strategic relationship managers, roles requiring deep emotional intelligence and trust building. Crisis intervention specialists, positions demanding real-time, high-stakes human judgment. AI oversight and ethics leaders. As AI deployment accelerates, so does demand for professionals who ensure its responsible use. AI ethics officers, emerging C-suite positions focused on ethical AI implementation. Algorithmic auditors, specialists who evaluate AI systems for bias, security vulnerabilities, and compliance. Human AI collaboration designers, professionals who design workflows maximizing both human and AI capabilities. Consider Sarah, a former content writer who saw the AI writing revolution coming. Rather than competing directly with AI content tools, she pivoted to become an AI content strategy specialist. She now earns 3 times her previous salary, helping companies develop custom AI content systems that reflect their brand voice and meet compliance requirements. Or take Robert, a corporate HR manager who recognized that AI was rapidly transforming recruitment. Instead of resisting, he pivoted to AI-driven talent strategy, and now leads teams that work with AI, not against it. My job isn't threatened by AI anymore, he explains. I'm the one directing AI implementation and making sure it aligns with our human-centered values. By this point, you're probably wondering, how do I make myself AI-proof? Here's exactly how to do it before your job is next. Most people will hear this information and do nothing. They'll assume their job is safe for a few more years. And then, one day, they'll walk into the office and find out they've been replaced. If you don't want to be one of them, here's how to act now. Navigating this transformation requires more than awareness. It demands strategic action. Here are the 3 critical hacks that are separating the AI displaced from the AI empowered in the current 2025 job market. Hack number 1, the hybrid skill stack, which blends human and AI abilities. The most valuable professionals in today's market aren't those with the most advanced technical skills or the strongest soft skills. They're those who effectively combine both. Implementation strategy 1, map your industry's AI implementation trajectory. Research which specific AI tools are being adopted in your field and what capabilities they have. 2, identify the critical collaboration points. Determine where human oversight, judgment, or creativity most enhances AI output in your domain. 3, develop your AI orchestration skills. Learn to prompt, direct, and refine AI systems relevant to your field. This means becoming proficient with the specific AI tools transforming your industry. Thomas, a radiologist, saw AI diagnostic systems begin matching human performance in detecting certain conditions. Instead of competing against the AI, he developed expertise in handling the complex edge cases the AI struggled with, while simultaneously becoming proficient at directing and refining the AI's analysis. His hospital now relies on him as an AI-augmented diagnostician who achieves better results than either humans or AI alone. Hack number 2, the AI pivot strategy, or moving before the market shifts. The mistake most professionals make is waiting until AI directly threatens their role before adapting. By then, it's too late. Implementation strategy 1. Identify your adjacent potential. Map closely related roles that leverage your existing expertise but are more AI resistant. 2. Pursue the AI-enhanced version of your current role. Position yourself as the specialist who knows how to maximize value by combining human expertise with AI capabilities. 3. Target emerging hybrid positions. Focus on newly created roles at the intersection of your field and AI implementation. Rachel, an HR manager, recognized that recruitment was being rapidly automated. Instead of clinging to traditional HR practices, she developed expertise in designing and implementing AI-driven talent acquisition systems. She now leads her company's human-AI talent strategy team, a position that combines her people-focused HR background with her newly developed AI implementation skills. Hack number 3, the continuous upskill loop. Never stop learning AI. The fatal career mistake in the AI age is treating skill development as a one-time event rather than an ongoing process. Implementation strategy. First, implement the 15% rule. Dedicate at least 15% of your working hours to learning emerging AI tools and applications in your field. Second, focus on application over theory. Prioritize hands-on experience with AI tools over theoretical understanding of machine learning. Third, build a skills radar system. Develop systematic ways to identify emerging AI capabilities and assess their potential impact on your role. Marcus, a marketing director, established a personal AI testing lab where he experiments with new AI marketing tools as they emerge. He dedicates Friday afternoons to testing these tools and identifying their strengths and limitations. This practice has made him the go-to expert on AI implementation within his organization, securing his position as a strategic leader rather than a tactical executor. Right now in 2025, professionals are dividing into two groups. The AI revolution is creating two distinct professional paths: strategic adaptation or inevitable displacement. The difference between these outcomes isn't luck. It's the deliberate choices you make in the next 6 months. The data is unambiguous. AI-driven job disruption is accelerating beyond previous forecasts. By the end of 2025, most industries will have completed the transition from experimental AI adoption to full-scale implementation. This isn't speculation, it's happening now in real companies affecting real careers. But here's the critical insight. The professionals thriving amid this disruption aren't necessarily those with advanced technical backgrounds or specialized AI knowledge. They're the strategic adapters who recognize the pattern early, position themselves at the human-AI intersection, and continuously evolve their capabilities. Your future-proof career doesn't require a complete reinvention. It demands strategic repositioning. The window for this repositioning is still open, but it's closing rapidly as AI implementation accelerates across industries in the second and third quarters of 2025. Right now in 2025, professionals are dividing into two groups: those who adapted early and took control, and those struggling to find their place in an AI-dominated workforce. The choice is yours, but time is running out. By mid-2025, AI implementation will have reached its next critical threshold. The professionals who pivot now will secure high-paying AI-enhanced roles. The ones who ignore this warning, many will never recover. The AI-driven future of work isn't coming, it's here. Your next move determines your future. Don't wait. Research how AI is affecting your field. Start your AI pivot today. The window is closing fast.